Excuse me. And still keep burping. Wait. Excuse me? Excuse me. Oh no. Oh no. You can't see my face, I'm sorry. No. I think I have the hiccups. No. You just like put your no. Excuse me. I'm a pro. Sorry. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Excuse me. Burp. Oh no, it's stuck. It got stuck. This is not meant to be lewd. This is a real technique, I swear to God. I swear to Georgia Lucas. Cutest burper? No. Why is that such an... No. Excuse me. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Hi, Robbie. Welcome to my stream. That was so gross. I'm sorry. But wait. I'm gonna try something. this stream is just full of good clips. Absolutely not. Oh my god. Ew. Excuse me. 65 is more fitting. I'm 22. Excuse me. Your favorite dinosaurs? Good night. Goodbye. The embarrassment is next with a lot of money. That was an angry burp. And also, yeah, Erica. You win. Excuse me. Yeah, last time I made a Wait. Excuse me. Plugged in this.
Where is everything?
Wow, my hair's
I like it.
My burp hair.
Burp.
It's like bedhead or sex hair, but it's burp hair.